Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we will do a hand holding chopsticks. So to begin, we will put in two lines like that. Let's have one line going like this. Usually I do this with a pencil, but I'm just doing it with a pen because I had some an issue with the lighting, so I want this to come across a little more clearly. So if you could just put in that shape, so sort of like sausages there, and more straighter shape there, and as you've guessed, like this is pretty much this is the index finger right there. That's going to what you say, like go somewhere here, and now the thumb necessarily will not be visible from this angle. I'm going to grab a thicker marker, see if I can confidently go over the shapes here. So that is the middle finger. I'm putting a bit of knuckle there. So I'm using a very normal hand, or at least from my perspective, pretty much normal hand. And I have some skin folds there, or finger folds, some here, and again that knuckle is not really visible. And then we have, now you could show a bit of this finger, and it depends on what angle you place this. And then you could just have, so one coming like right down, so one chopstick, and then the other chopstick I think would be coming right through here. I did not make that straight, so just straight enough, and you'll have yourself a hand holding two chopsticks. Now this finger actually could be a little thicker. I'm talking about this one here. This can come up a little bit, so that's a little change that I've made alongside. So I'm putting in some tones and some quick cross hatch, so that if there's a light source coming from above, it falls somewhat across the hand in this way. Again, it does not have to be very black, doesn't have to be too light, again depending on the light source of how this comes across on each finger, past each knuckle. So just putting in some details there. Traditional crosshatch with a marker. So there's the quick way to get around to making a hand holding chopsticks. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.